embroidery friends. Are you ready to turn your sewing skills into something spectacular? We're thrilled to introduce Kimberbell's Mystery Block of the Month, our brand new Wallflower wall hanging series. This stunning wall hanging is designed to surprise and delight you with a new block every month, perfect for anyone who loves a little mystery while sewing. Here's how it works. For just $120, you'll get 12 months of unique, exclusive Kimberbell designs to create your masterpiece. And the best part, you're not doing it alone. Join us on the first Friday of every month for in-store hands-on classes. These sessions are a perfect way to connect with your fellow sewists, learn new techniques, and get all the support you need. It's like a mini sewing retreat every single month. And don't forget the cherry on the top, the optional embellishment kit for just $34.99. This kit is packed with everything you need to make your Wallflower wall hanging extra special. From sparkling details to dimensional accents, it's a must-have for anyone who loves to add the finishing touch. Whether you're a Kimberbell fan or just getting started, this Block of the Month program is a chance to create something truly magical while learning in a fun, supportive environment. Sign up today and join the adventure. Your Wallflower wall hanging is waiting to bloom. Call us at 503-775-7283 or stop in at Save Stores to reserve your spot. But hurry, spaces fill up fast. I can't wait to see you guys.